What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the priority for a task in TickTick. So you want to go ahead and click on the list that you have your task for. And let's say I'm going to take this one right here from this list. In order to change your priority, click the three dots next to the task toward the right hand side. And here you'll find priority and you can change the priorities. So you can just change this. And as you can see right away, the priority is changed. If I go out to my other list, for example, I can change this one as well. And as you can see right here, this is red. This is red mean the high. And of course, you have this is low and so forth, right? So if I want to put it low, I can put it as well. And you may be wondering, okay, after I set it, what is selected? You can see once you click on it, it is showing right there, right? So you can always change the priority of those tasks. And that's it. Let me go ahead and change this one right here. And how do you identify if it is changed? Once you click on a particular task on the upper right, you will see the priority right here and it shows the priority. Also over the boxes as well, it shows the colors as you can see. Let me change this one right here. Create three dots and let's put this one as, for example, red for high. You can see right here that it's here. And in case you want to move around them, you can always move them or shuffle them the way you want, right? So you can do things like that as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.